Hello, this is Kurt Harris with the Men's Family Court column. Today, I have a few topics which I wanted to touch on, but one of them which I was hoping to discuss with you today was courtroom demeanor or courtroom dress. How we approach the court and how we approach the judges. I get many questions sometimes, and sometimes I don't get enough questions about how should I dress for court? What should I look like? Well, if you're a police officer or if you're a doctor or some other profession and you're coming to court directly from the profession, it's always appropriate to wear your work clothes, including if you're on a construction job or a flag person or some other trade where you've just come directly from work to court. That's always okay. However, if you have the opportunity to take the day off, prepare for court, or take half the day off, it's always best to dress your best and look your best for the court. Now, I get a lot of discussions sometimes from clients who actually ask me about what should I wear or does it really matter? And my answer is, of course it really matters. I'm wearing a tie, I'm wearing a suit, and the purpose I'm doing that is for you as my client and to put on the best appearance and best show I can for your case and for the judge. And it is best that you do it also. I've had many clients who are a little defiant or a little rebellious who have said to me, well, what difference does it make? And I'm not going to put on a show for the judge. Why should I do that? They know I'm just putting on a show. And the judge does. But never underestimate the fact that the judge appreciates the fact that you care enough to put on a show for the judge. That's exactly the point you're trying to convey to the court. I care. I have never worn a tie in the last 17 years, but I'm going to put one on today because I care about my kids, I care about my case, and I care what you think about me, judge. That's always important. When you have the opportunity and the ability to dress your best for court, you should always dress your best. I've had many clients that I cannot believe cleaned up as well as they did and looked as good as they did in court. And I thought to myself, I don't even know this guy. I've never seen this person before. Is that my client? Because that's not the guy I met with in my office. And that means a lot. And when the judges see that, it has an impact. It makes a difference. It is dressing to impress, and there's something to that, and you should always consider that anytime you're before the judge, and particularly in a family court matter, particularly when something so valuable as your children are on the line or all of your worldly possessions. So that being the case, we always recommend to dress your best for court and dress to impress. And it does matter, even if you are putting on a show, the judges do take note of that and they are impressed by it, and it can help you in your case. Once again, this is Kurt Harris with the Men's Family Court column. I look forward to speaking to you on other topics and discussions in the near future. Thank you.